am Niladri. You are watching my channel Niladri the Genius. Today we will learn in second part of operator, that is binary operator. So what is binary operator? Simple definition: binary operator, the operator which act on two variables are called binary operator. So what is binary operator? The operator which act on two variables or minimum two variables are called binary operator. So what is the example of binary operator? Plus, minus, multiplication, straight division, modular division. So why it is called act on two variables? So without two variable we can't calculate binary operator. So whenever you need binary operator, minimum two variables are required. So this is called binary operator. So whenever you put here two divisions are there, one is straight division, this is straight division, straight division. This one is modular division. So whenever you calculate binary operator, there is two types of division. One is straight division and another is modular division. So first let's know about what is straight division, what is modular division. Straight division and modular division. Straight division. This one modular division. So straight division always take quotient part. This division always takes quotient part. Straight division always take quotient part. Modular division always take remainder part. So straight division always take quotient part, modular division always take remainder part. So let's give one example. Suppose I am writing 5 straight division 2. So whenever you write 5 straight division 2, what will happen? So 5 straight division 2, so 2, 4 is there, remainder 1. So don't put any fractional value because you are taking integer. So when you take integer, so it will return always integer value. Don't take any fractional value. So 5 straight division 2. So 5 straight division 2. So quotient part is 2, remainder part is 1. So straight division always take quotient part. So answer is 5 straight division 2. Answer is 2. If you write 5 modular division 2, answer is 1 because it will take remainder part. So that's why it's called straight division and modular division. Let's give another example. Suppose I am writing 6 straight division 2. So what is the meaning of 6 straight division 2? 6 straight division 2. So straight division is 3, modular division is 0. So this way you can calculate. For example, I am giving 2 straight division 5. When you write 2 straight division 5, so 2 you write 2, 5. So 0, 0, remainder 2. So when you write 2 straight division 5, answer is 0. When you write 2 modular division 5, answer is 2. So let's remember one simple logic. When you put small number straight division big number, answer is always 0. When you write small number modular division big number, answer is small number. But if you take big number straight division small number or big number modular division small number, it depends upon that. But small number straight division big number and small number modular division big number. So in straight division it will 0 and modular division it is 2. So now this is all about straight division and modular division. So in arithmetic operator, so what are the operator in a binary operator present? The binary operator have two precedence. First precedence, second precedence. In first precedent, multiplication, straight division, modular division. Second precedent, minus, plus. So multiplication, static division, modular division, it does not mean that first is multiplication, then static division, then modular division. So which one come first? First solve. Which one come first? Which one come first? First solve. Like this. So after completion of first precedence, you have to calculate second precedence. So first calculate first precedence, then second precedence. In mathematics, one rule is there, Bodmas rule, bracket, division, then multiplication. But here first bracket, but after bracket, which operator? So if multiplication will come in first multiplication, if static division will come in first static division, then modular division. Like this way it will calculate. One example. Suppose I am writing example. Suppose I am writing 5 static division 2 into 5 static division 2 plus 6 modular division 2. So don't write that 5 static division 2 2, 5 static division 2 2, 2 into 2 4. Don't write like that. So first you have to move from left to right until the second priority will come. You have to calculate. So first one, 5 static division 2. 5 static division 2 is 2. 2 into 5, 10. 10 static division 2, 5. So the answer is 5. Why I will stop? Because the second priority will start. Now 6 modular division 2. 6 modular division 0. So answer is 5. Like this way you have to calculate. For example, another example I am giving. Suppose I am writing 5 plus 6 static division 2 into 3 modular division 4 plus 6 by 2. Like this way. Suppose first left to right you have to calculate. So 5 plus, you have to write 5 plus, because second priority start. Next you have to calculate 6 static division 2. 6 static division 2, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 modular division 4. 9 modular division 4 is 1. Plus stop. Why I will stop? Because second priority will start. Now 6 static division 2. 6 static division 3 is 3. Now 5 plus 1, 6. Hold on. So this is the answer. So this way you can calculate binary operator. Thanks for watching my channel.